So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to scrape hundreds of thousands of emails, fast. This literally happens within seconds and minutes, so it doesn't take time. And the email extractor we're going to be using today is called Socleads. So this is a full tutorial that you need to watch, from beginning to the end. So I will leave the link down below in the video description so that you can try it for free. On a monthly basis, they give you 100 free credits, all right, to test it out so that you know how powerful this email extractor is. All right, it says email scraper from maps and social media. Scrape thousands of prospects from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google Maps. And you can also use this on your phone. All right, you can use it to scrape emails from your phone. If you don't have a laptop, use a phone to do it. All right, and then you can start a free trial. No credit card is required. So this is one thing I love about them. So if you to get started, just click on free, you just sign up, and then it's going to take you straight to the dashboard. So I'm going to log into my account right now to get started. You can check the features, use cases, pricing, resources. So I'll click on login. Okay, so I'm logged into my account. So you see, here you have filters. All right, so you can search from all platforms, from different sources. You can use keyword to search for emails. So when you go to the left, this is Instagram. All right, you can search from Instagram, Twitter, which is X, then Google Maps, also Facebook, keyword, LinkedIn keyword, YouTube keyword, TikTok, multiple channels. And also they also have an email verifier. You can, if you want to verify your emails automatically without having to pay for a different tool, you can just do it here. So that is one thing I love about this platform. All right, so the one we're going to go to now, let me just go straight to, let's try Facebook. I'm going to use Facebook as an example. Now this is where you can enter this is scrape Facebook groups. All right, there's a lot of targeted niche, audience on Facebook group. So here you can enter your keyword, and then you can also select your country. All right, that one is optional. Then you tell them, then you select how many results that you want, like how many emails you want. So you can just click here to select country. Let me just select United States. All right, and then you can also you can validate emails like I said before. Okay, so I'm going to search for, okay, so I just put a keyword here, web designers. You can search for whatever you want to search for. All right, this is just an example. So let's assume I need like let's say 15 searches. All right, remember this is B2B, business to business, and B2C. All right, so how it works: validate emails per 0.5 credits per each. Avoid duplicates from previous searches. So if you have searched before, you also you can click on avoid duplicates, and then you can validate your emails if you want to. So I'm just using web designers as an example, or you can just say web design, however you want to put it. So if you are looking for customers if you want to reach out to web designers, then you can do that. If you are looking for local businesses, salon, a lot of them like that, doctors, dentists, you can also do that. You can just put it here. Let's say you are looking for dentist. Maybe you want to message them. All right, so you can put dentist there, and then you just click on search. So I'll click on search. All right, so search may take up to 10 minutes. We'll email you when it's done. 25 credits are temporarily frozen. Unused credits will be returned after completion. So you just click on OK. Okay, so they just sent me an email instantly. It says your free plan scraping process has been completed. You can view the results on the dashboard. you have any question, you see what I mean? Instantly, say your leads are ready. It doesn't waste time. In seconds, I got my leads. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. All right, so here we are. You'll find out that is here, all right, which is 15. Exactly what I wanted. It has given me. So everything is here. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to download. You can download, as CXV or XLS. So I'm just going to download as CSV. Okay, now it says file downloaded. I'll click on open. When you click on that, you see we have Alvarado, I don't know, Enterprise. We also have the other email there. So these are all the emails that I script. All right. I told you before, some of them they even have their names here. They have TXCA, New York, Beach, Studio, and all of that. The location is United States. So you see how powerful this email scripter is. It doesn't waste any time. You just tell it whatever you want, and then it starts to give you the results. So that is all I have for you today. Remember to use the link in the description, to actually get a free trial.